Keto recipes are a low-carb, high-fat way to reset your metabolism, but you don't have to give up your favorite dishes to stick to it. This keto chicken Parmesan is just as rich and delicious as the authentic Italian version. Not skimping on fat helps maintain satisfaction and overall deliciousness. Start with 1 8-ounce boneless, skinless chicken breast. Slice it lengthwise into the middle from one side to within half an inch of the other side. Open the two sides and spread them out like an open book. Pound chicken flat until about half an inch thick. This method is called butterflying, and it helps cook the chicken more quickly and evenly. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream together until smooth and fully emulsified. This will become your egg wash. You can even use water or milk instead of heavy cream. Start with 1½ ounces of crushed pork rinds in a shallow plate or dish. You'll add 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you want a little extra spice, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Stir all of these around with a fork to get them fully combined. Now our breading station is complete. Dip your chicken into the egg mixture to coat it completely. When breading food items, use the wet hand, dry hand method to maintain the integrity of your breading. Then press chicken into breading to thickly coat both sides. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of ghee, which is a clarified butter, and you can make it yourself. Check out allrecipes.com for easy and foolproof ways to make it. Place your chicken in the pan and cook until no longer pink in the center and the juices run clear, which should be about 3 minutes per side. Transfer your chicken to a baking sheet. Cover with half a cup of jarred tomato sauce or your favorite homemade recipe and a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And broil until cheese is bubbling and barely browned, which should be about 2 minutes. Counting your macros doesn't have to mean sacrificing your favorite meals. You can serve this with fresh zoodles or your favorite green vegetable. For more keto recipes, check out allrecipes.com and don't forget to subscribe.